The front design of the upcoming Oppo Find X8 was recently leaked through some live images, revealing a very iPhone-like aesthetic with thin symmetrical bezels. Now, the back design of the device has also leaked, and it looks a lot like the Oppo Find N3. The company has also confirmed that the device will weigh less than 200 grams. Find X8 series tipped to debut on October 21st. The device will feature 3 camera sensors and the H branding in the middle of the camera island, a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide snapper, a 3x telephoto zoom shooter, and a 10x periscope telephoto zoom lens. It features the familiar central punch hole cutout, a 6.8-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED panel. In terms of performance, the Find X8 is likely to feature MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, which was recently seen on Geekbench, showing strong results in both single-core and multi-core tests, including a 16GB RAM with the ColorOS 15-based Android 15. The Find X8 will come with a 5700 mAh battery that supports wireless charging, while the X8 Pro will include a slightly larger 5800 mAh battery with 50W wireless charging. Both models will also support 80W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.